Meaning of inaccurately.
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 Inaccurately. Inaccurately means that something is not precise or exact, and may contain errors or mistakes. It is commonly used to describe information or measurements that are incorrect or imprecise. When information is reported inaccurately, it can lead to misunderstandings or misinterpretations of the facts. Inaccurate measurements can also lead to incorrect scientific conclusions or faulty engineering designs. Overall, being inaccurate can have negative consequences in many areas of life, so it's important to strive for accuracy and correctness in all tasks and activities.